Okay, guys, we are back at it with SVMH. Coming in for quick spikes for the last 2 days and even an uptrend, as we can see here throughout today's intraday trading session. Getting up to a volume of 700 million. This is pushing SVMH to the top of the most active list. Keep in mind, everything that's going on with these stocks and all other stocks on the market is while the markets are pushing up more bearish than bullish. You got about 3,700 decliners and you have about 2,500 advancers. People are selling things off more than they are buying things up. Right now, when they're selling things off more throughout the day, we even still see SVMH come in for more of a bull run. Signs of future bullishness, as we've seen this thing come in for those bull runs and or bullish spikes, huge bullish spikes instantaneously in the pre-market opening. That's those big whales and whatnot that already have their order set for to buy and limit order set to sell at the top of exactly that 7 cents, that exact range that those market makers want to play in between. Notice this, how it goes from oversold down at these lows of 2-3 cents and back overbought at 7 cents. Well, they know what range to send it for that next spike to. Big resistance is going to be up there. I'm going to put out some key facts about SVMH for those of you who don't know what this is and what they have going on. We're going to talk more about the news and fundamentals. We're going to talk about the charts and technicals and find the next incoming trend. And let's just get right into it now. For those of you who don't know what the SVMH is, this is a limited Cayman Island based holding company, and the company through a subsidiary, Survival Motors Private Ltd, is engaged in providing e-motorbikes in India. The company provides electric two-wheeled motorcycles that provide a riding experience. Y'all know what motorcycles are. We can go ahead and check out their website real quick so you can see what their motorcycles look like. You know, for those of you who never seen any of this before, that's always helpful to be able to visually see what you talking about going for. You get a better understanding of what they have going on. These are in production, and then they don't have they just got the big partnerships. Okay, so like this is still in the beginning and it's still in the early seat. Okay, I'm gonna show you a little bit more news after
What's
I
up?
show you about how. Oh yeah, and anybody can join in on the Banking with Billy classroom. We are here doing our live trading and doing all our lessons and all that
What are
good
you
stuff
talking
like
about?
that all day, every single day. Right now, I am on mute while I'm making this video, so I didn't interrupt what they had going on. Okay, but let's just continue on right now with SVMH. Okay, now to this big discount. If you go look at your analysis order flow on SVMH stock, you be able to see right now you got extra largest going out, you got mediums coming in, and you got smalls rushing out of there, creating this big bearishness you see coming in today. With a bullish wave of cost distribution coming in, is not much bearish holding this thing back, and it has a very empty gap up there towards about 9 cents. These are things you need to take note of. They can spike towards that 9 cents before it hits resistance. If it gets past that 4 cents, there's not any bullish waves holding this thing back at all. If everybody continues to buy, any pressure will just make this thing continue to go up. But you need to know this thing has been heavily short still attacked. Yes, hold on, let me show you this. This is a strong short squeeze target. And yes, they have been short selling this thing for the last couple of days, especially yesterday. Those shorts that shorted yesterday probably covered up all those shares just this morning, making it have that quick spike that we just seen happen. And we'll be preparing for another one of those to be coming in tomorrow morning. Be there on time. SVRM has been reports of net losses and stuff like that. They are proposing a major reverse split, like I tell you. Watch out for the upcoming split. And if you are if you are in the Discord, seeing my alerts go out. I was just putting out alerts for SVMH yesterday where I would say we're going for a risky day trade or an early swing trade. They will bounce before they reverse split. This stock from there exploded up this morning. Once again, like the previous morning, up 200%. It's 200% for each morning. Still up about 50% right now, only at 3 cents. Looking to add into more bullishness for quick spikes. Right now on SVMH, they have a negative downtrending balance sheet, making big whales not believe in it. But they did just now finally get an extension for NASDAQ listings. That doesn't mean that they're not doing that split. That split still be coming, okay? So make sure that you're being careful. And in fact, this just came out 21 minutes ago about how SVHM approves a reverse share split. Survival Holdings recently held an extraordinary general meeting where shareholders approved several key proposals, including a reverse share split at a ratio of up to 1 for 100. The meeting saw a significant turnout with over, now we'll talk more about the price is going to go to and what the stats look like here in a second. The meeting saw a significant turnout with over 69% of votes exercisable and resulted in the adoption of new resolutions aimed at optimizing the company's capital structure. The strategic move is poised to enhance Survivor's financial flexibility and potentially increase stock market appeal. They have no date up in here, giving us the indication that they can do that any time and they will be coming in for a sneak attack. Don't get caught in that. Lock in your gains and then go ahead and get ready for the next one. Letting you know now that SVRU did come out along with that extension. They are getting deals to start expanding their thing into India. Their Prana 2 motorcycle, like I just showed you guys their motorcycles, and they got Survival expands the Corelli, a leading state in EV adoption in India with innovative joint dealership for Prana 2.0 electric motorcycles in the Ravan's new Rapid Pound. And this is just the beginning of everything that's going to be going on. The joint dealership model developed by Survivoroo allows the company to partner with established local dealers, leveraging their resources and market reach. This approach enables Survivoroo to expand rapidly while minimizing upfront costs and ensuring capital efficiency. The new dealership in Kerala will offer Survivoroo's flagship electric motorcycle, the Prana 2.0 Grand and Prana 2.0 Elite. Both models are renowned for their performance and eco-friendly features with an industry-leading range of 250 kilometers per charge and an acceleration from 0 to 60 kilometers per hour in under 4 seconds, making them the fastest, most efficient electric motorcycle in their class. And again, this literally is just the beginning. After the split, we might see some of those big whales and big investors on to partake. They should be getting up to about $3 after that split, I believe. And they're going to have about 10 days to hold up in there. Bringing you all this information first. I'm Billy Banks, bringing you the alerts for the safe, easy, early seating. Y'all say in my alert, 3 cents or lower for a swing trade. You got your 200% gains. And if you got in again after this, I'm going to call it the next bounce today. You even got another 60% gain. You'll be able to see in my section when I'm telling you that we are literally selling out of those things like we did earlier at 3 a.m. Sold out of that round. But after that alert yesterday, and then went in for another round. Again, remember, don't get caught in the split. Get locking your gains. Get ready for the next round in there or move on to the next stock. And I already know it's about to explode next. I'm going to alert that in my section here in a minute. I'll see you guys in there. Happy trade.